lagi dengan saya Fauzan di dunia anak pintar. Nah, bagaimana kelanjutannya? Yuk kita langsung saja tonton videonya. Kali ini kita akan membahas film yang berjudul Turning Red.
I'm Maylin Lee, and ever since I turned 13, say what I want and I will not hesitate.
Bercerita tentang seorang gadis berusia 13 tahun yang bernama Maylin, yang dipanggil Mey, yang hidup di Toronto. Mey merupakan sosok remaja yang unik dan percaya diri.
Anyway, who cares what stupid evil Tyler or anyone else thinks? Devin. He looks like a hobo.
Ia memiliki 3 orang teman baik. Mey banyak menghabiskan waktu bersama teman-teman dekatnya.
Come on. Here. Not now. You can't resist it. Oh my. Yeah. Oh my. Oh my. Never nobody you side. Alright. You passed. And here's your.
Namun Mey ternyata memiliki masalah dari tempat dia tinggal. Mey tinggal bersama ibunya yang bernama Ming, yang memiliki karakter keras dan protektif. Karena sikap protektifnya dari sang ibu, kegiatan Mey selalu diawasi, bahkan hingga aktivitas di sekolah. Hal itu diketahui Mey setelah melihat ibunya tengah mengintip dirinya dari luar jendela.
Kind of looks like. Okay, his shoulders are kind of.
Dan bersembunyi di balik pohon. Mey pun mulai panik, apalagi tubuhnya kini tengah bereaksi aneh. Teman-teman sekelas Mey tidak menyadari hal itu karena mereka sedang melihat kegaduhan yang dibuat oleh ibu Mey. Tubuh Mey secara aneh bereaksi mengeluarkan asap dan berubah menjadi panda merah raksasa. Ketika ia tidak bisa mengendalikan emosinya, Mey pun menangis sebari keluar dari area sekolah dan mencari tempat untuk bersembunyi.
This isn't happening.
Namun Mey malah menarik perhatian masyarakat luar karena tidak pernah melihat panda merah raksasa berlari-lari di sekitar jalanan. Nah, bagaimana kawan-kawan? Seru kan ceritanya? Yuk kita tonton filmnya. Bye-bye.
It's nothing to be embarrassed of. Strong flower. Who must protect? Oh, my porridge. Ginny.
And when I wake up, this will all be over. Wow. Yes! Yes. Oh, you got this.
An herbal tea for cramps. It helps relax your.
Friends, what is up? I am not a. No!
That's funny, Tyler!
Devin, my boy. I'm gonna kill him.
Leave her alone!
I gotta go. See you at lunch. What is with you? You're being weird.
Who could tell me how the formula begins? Eh?
This isn't happening.
All right. Sit down, little goblin.
here.
What's happening to me?
What? It's happened already?
What did you say?
It's time.
Our ancestor, Sun Yi, had a mist turn her into one. Then one night, during a granted her wish, they gave her transform into a powerful mystical beast. Pass this gift to her daughters for when they came of age.
You...
She meant it as a blessing. Listen, there's a cure.
Because it happened to me. You'll undergo a ritual that will seal your red panda spirit. You have one chance to banish it, and you cannot fail.
This red moon will be the 25th.
That's a whole...
And I will be with you every step of the way.
I saved Wilfred.
Thanks, Dad.
This is awful. One can see her like this.
What are you doing? Go away!
Are you okay? Tap the...
Fortune's coming to Toronto! What? Everything's just me. Shut up! Got that?
Are you a werewolf?
No!
May, what the heck happened?
Eventually. Maybe.
May.
I hate this.
May, it's gonna be okay.
I'm never gonna let you cry. You're the best.
Aw, we love you, May.
Huh. Something feels... Hit me. Oh! I stayed calm.
Bring it in. Your second place spelling bee trophy.
The important thing is you try. You spelled your little...
What? Shame. Must...
Panda or no panda?
How is this possible? Oh, Memey.
Maybe we should trust her.
Okay, well, thanks for listening.
Eyes on the water!
My parents said I could go when I'm 30.
Please!
Mama's girl. Dude, keep it together.
I can't! Does anyway, then what's the point? We have to do it together.
The perfect crime.
Yes!
MG! You in the bathroom! I didn't imagine it!
Bear?
Red panda.
Wait, so you...
I'll give you any...
Are you trying?
Can I have a word with you? I found this. Memey, I know what you're doing, but the red panda. So no more panda.
Worm. Wait! Can garbage do? Guys, it's hard to explain, but just not anymore. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Jesse's your soulmate.
But we only have enough for 3 tickets.
Then if we can't all go,
Then none of us should go.
let's hear it for the